Bema obia akwaba eba channel yeso. Channel where money payouts ya to ye ho iso say ye betchre say na ye betumi enyiska ajuma krabi e online enyiska na itumi aboa ye ho akaka say na say the Ghana ID. So we are called money payouts. The aim is to help the youth and many others to do basic tasks online and also to make some money. Nti ene me hu some site bia ebetumi am up to $60 in just an hour or two. Nti site no near obeni say obe yes some few tests per, that is obe teste website per. Nti wo teste website ni wia na waka near about site no or app no. Nti unya can we unya send reply mama pe na ometua $60 in just 2 hours, guys. Na unya we ya na unya we ya on pana. Nti mense mrekra yenhwe website no. Na website ndi userfail.com. And say a better happen. It says that a better user testing tool with no subscription or monthly fee needed. Into any training bia, any skill bia. We just need to do a simple. We just test some sites and apps for them pay. Or over tested like Ube Yusu. Na wa who comments pay. Na it $60 for testing the app, guys. I try with pan and the current say an internet person may share na obia all Ghana over to me any access to this amazing site for the userfail.com. And it says some of the questions number can is that become a tester and earn $10 per test. And almost say test bia obe bia benya $10, guys. $10 per just one test. I can say each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes per. So obe to me can put the way ayawo as in part-time job and wo half time work bi obeya able to me so abo na we nya skara krabi ashon na we omotua also through PayPal anyway so ene wo visa card nti pa into almost say and is completed with your home computer or what smartphone nti obe to me the computer or fee or phone the ISA test no no now we share ademisowa here we are. Nti as a tester on touch you not buy any product when you for bibra send on that be ready on phobia mba and I told how so must say then pen on here and we here pay and wo friends and wo computer and our phone and you will pay $10 per test. Potential I will say so wow ube to piece your computer also needs to have a microphone. Ntinya we here per se wo piece ebenya a microphone pe na che say enno guys na enno nti embra asian so here yenhwe say wo fill from there's some questions that they will ask you on the basic question just to know if you qualify for that that assignment now another. Into almost say for example, so if the client needs to test a website selling babies or tourists, you may ask whether or not you have a child or you have children. Well, until they want to know say near sites like in Indiana in the say only a home in India then maybe I won't fast a chance na amount because so say maybe near over and over and nimdi and our home baby yana and young person na emre ecobibre. So let's also check this side very fast. Young some of the things be a bemo kind about certain way so many comments maybe for I try among can about site way to prove say this site is very authentic and you can get your money quickly. So let's go to how to be part of this service. Click here and what the mouse make her now click user test. And when you click so pay na edo abaha I say ofole form kakre bi pe. It is a form no. You just fill your first name, job title, email address, NID Ghana number no, the country. We are basic forms I think say obia or video we obey to me aye. No. Who we are, then you accept the terms. And say so acceptance say okay as set up as a client. Then now walk through testing. They will test your system as I told you. We check if you have a microphone, and then all hosts are not on the test no. As sending our site one to over sign in. Now wash it test na one. Until near Osha over to me I review no. Na why until so this is the end of the video. So guys, go through the site very well, and if you have any question with this app or this site, please let me know. Just drop your comment below, and I'll find time and respond to you very fast. And lastly, if you're new here, drop a like because help push this content out there, because as you are aware, Ghana and saying sika samaydi ti we muna betumi aboa ebi muna etumi enya skaka krebi ashare. So subscribe so that YouTube will pushes this video out there for many others to enjoy. Until midasi I will launch a new video very soon, so just get ready to make money with us. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.